Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. In this video we are discussing about It uses 3 moving averages, set at Jews period 14. Jews shift 6. Teeth period 10. Teeth shift 2. Lips period 6. Lips shift 1. The 3 moving averages comprise the jaw, teeth, and lips of the alligator. The indicator applies convergence-divergence relationships to build trading signals, with the jaw making the slowest turns and the lips making the fastest turn. The Williams Alligator Indicator is a technical analysis tool that uses smooth moving averages. The indicator uses a smooth average calculated with a simple moving average, SMA, to start. Legendary trader Bill Williams, an early pioneer in market psychology, developed the trend-following alligator indicator, which follows the premise that financial markets and individual life presents each of us with opportunities to alter our destinies. If you're looking to take control of your future, we are here to guide you in seizing those opportunities, starting with the easier, more accessible wins. On this channel, we delve into technical analysis, options trading including binary and forex trading psychology, and, most crucially, money management. We also explore many topics that you may not have encountered elsewhere. By subscribing to our channel, we assure you the potential for significant profits through our signals and strategies. Boost your trading success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed. My expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.